Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, remove the case and power off the Pixel 8 to prevent data or network issues. Once done, lay the phone on a flat surface so the tray sits level. Find the small hole on the left edge, insert the SIM eject tool straight in, not at an angle, and press firmly until the tray pops. Make sure you use the correct tool. A bent paperclip works, but be careful to avoid scratching the chassis. Now you remove the tray and lift the old Nano SIM out with your fingernail or tweezers. Don't touch the gold contacts. Place the new Nano SIM in the tray with the metal contacts facing down and the cut corner matched to the tray. This prevents misalignment and damage. Once the SIM sits flush, guide the tray straight back into the slot. Push until it clicks. If it resists, pull back and realign, forcing it can bend the tray or damage the phone. Power the Pixel 8 back on and watch the status bar for signal bars. Then open Settings, Network and Internet, and confirm the SIM is recognized. If you see no service, toggle airplane mode for a few seconds or restart the phone to force a network refresh. Make sure the carrier has activated the SIM. Sometimes activation takes a few minutes. If issues continue, power down, remove the tray, confirm the SIM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.